I wanted the starter to be dead, because if the starter was dead, then the problem wasn't me. That would have been easier. A bad part is clean. You pull it, you test it, you replace it. But this didn't feel clean. I pulled the drawers, cut into the cabinetry, spent a full day just trying to reach the thing. And that was before I even knew if it was bad. On this boat, nothing is where it should be. You don't fix the problem, you excavate it first. And I kept telling myself that was the story. The boat was built wrong. The starter was buried. The access was terrible. That's why this is taking so long. Because the truth is, I didn't know how to test the starter before this week. I didn't know what half these wires did. There were two sitting in that locker for 2 months that I hadn't touched. Not because I didn't have time. Because if I touched them and got it wrong, I'd have to admit something I didn't want to admit. I didn't know what I was doing. That's the part nobody puts in the repair video. The part where you stand over the engine bay pretending you're thinking, but really you're stalling. The part where the boat is waiting on you and you keep acting like you're waiting on the boat. I call it troubleshooting, but some of it is avoidance. There is a difference between not knowing something and avoiding the thing that would teach you.
Just this. It was just this. The whole time.
Inexperience I can live with. That's just where you start. But avoidance is different. Avoidance is a choice. This is every day you don't open the hatch. Every question you don't ask. Every tool you leave in the locker because you're more afraid of looking stupid than you are committed to learning. And I've made that choice more than I want to admit. So when I ask myself why this boat isn't moving, I have to be honest. It's not just the starter. It's every hour I didn't spend learning it. Every time I filmed around the problem instead of facing it. Every time I told myself I was stuck when really I was scared of finding out how much I still didn't know. And that is the question this boat keeps putting in front of me. Am I actually becoming the person who can do this? Or am I just someone who bought a boat and started filming? The engine still isn't running. The boat still hasn't moved. But something did change today. For the first time, I stopped blaming the boat. The next step isn't hidden behind a panel anymore. It's not buried behind the drawers. It's right here in my hand.